The Secret of a Sleeping Wizard. Once upon a time, a young wizard named Aria lived deep in a quiet forest. Aria was a mysterious being who had special magical powers and could talk to nature. She became friends with animals in the forest and was able to communicate with flowers and trees. However, Aria had one secret. Her magic becomes more powerful when it is used for what she loves from the bottom of her heart. One night, Aria dreamed of her future under the starry sky. However, in that dream, she unknowingly touched old magic. The magic is a spell of sleeping magic, and the moment Aria cast the spell, she fell into a deep sleep. She continued to sleep quietly in the forest, and the world around her changed while she was away. As time went by, the animals in the forest worried about Aria and began to look for ways to wake her up. In particular, Aria's best friend, Luna, a little rabbit, was prepared to do anything to help her. Luna follows the old legend and learns that Aria needs a kiss of true love to wake up. However, there was no one to give that love to Aria. So Luna told the residents of the forest about Aria and called for help. Many animals gather and join forces to relieve Aria's sleep. They felt each other's love and united their hearts for Aria. When the power of that love gathered, a dazzling light was born in the forest and enveloped Aria. Eventually, she woke up and was surprised to see the animals around her. She shed tears when she learned that she was loved. Aria used magic again with gratitude. The forest turned into a more beautiful and vibrant place, and her power became even stronger. Aria learned the importance of love when she woke up from her sleep, and with a new determination in her heart, she vowed to play a role as the guardian of the forest. Her story is still being told in the forest as a beautiful legend depicting the power of love and friendship. That's it.